Hello students, my name is Ajay Sahu. Max bit his lip nervously. The knocking was repeated. What will you do now, Max? Archibald asked. As I do not answer the door, they will enter anyway. The door is unlocked and they will not hesitate to shoot. Max's face was black with anger as he backed swiftly towards the window. He swung a leg over the sill, sent them away. He warned, I wait I will wait on the balcony. Send them away or I will shoot and take my chances. The knocking at the door became louder and a voice was raised. Mr. Azabal, Mr. Azabal. Keeping his body twisted so that his gun still covered the fat man and his guest. The man at the window grasped the frame with his free hand to support himself. Then he swung his other leg up and over the window sill. The doorknob turned. Swiftly, Max pushed with his left hand to free himself from the sill and dropped to the balcony. And then, as he dropped, he screamed once, shrilly. The door opened and a waiter stood there with a tray, a bottle, and two glasses. Here is the drink you ordered for when you returned, he said, and set the tray on the table. Deftly uncorked the bottle and left the room. White-faced Fowler stared. White-faced Fowler stared after him, but he stammered, "The police." There were no police. Archibald sighed. Only Henry, whom I was expecting. But would not that man out on the balcony? Fowler began. No, said Archibald. He would not return. You see, my young friend, there is no balcony. Max became nervous about the situation as the knocking continued and and Archibald asked him what would he do next. Archibald added that the door was unlocked and if he did not let him open the door, the police would enter anyway and would definitely shoot if they saw him with a gun. Max was agreed by the situation and ran quickly. The knocking on the door grew louder and someone from outside called for Mr. Archibald twice. Max was sitting on the window sill and was facing inside so that his gun could, could still be pointed towards Mr. Archibald and Fowler. Max then held the window sill and sat at the sill with both legs outside. The door knob turned and Max thought that the police would be coming in so. He jumped from the sill to fall on the balcony and when he fell a loud and shrill scream was heard. When the door opened, a waiter stood at the door with a tray, a bottle of wine and two glasses. He came in and kept everything on the table and said that it was the bottle that Archibald had ordered for. He opened the cork of the bottle skillfully and left. Fowler did not understand what had happened and stammered that where was the police, to which Archibald replied that there was no police and that he knew that it was Henry, the waiter, and he was expecting him only. Then again, Archibald asked about the man outside the window, to which Archibald replied that he would never come back as there was no balcony and that Max had fallen on the ground from the top floor of the building. Now the story has finished. स्टोरी बता रहा है कि किस तरीके से जो है उसने उसको चकमा दिया और उसे बिल्डिंग से गिरा दिया।